We're going to be using a cup and a half of this here no-name graham crumbs. Butter, melted butter, mix into that. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of beautiful brown sugar plop and mix all that up. And then we're going to take all that mixture and plop it into a springform pan and press it around the edges. Using a nice spatula, non-stick, and just pat down the graham crust to the bottom. And then we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Now we're going to bake that at 350 degrees for 8 minutes. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and to that we're going to add 1/2 cup of white sugar. Nice mixture. We're going to add in 1 tablespoon of lime zest. Hey, look at the color, people. To this I'm going to add in juice of 1/2 a lime. To that we're going to add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, and blend. Okay, all the eggs are mixed in. And now we're going to add in 1/2 cup of fresh, beautiful blueberries from British Columbia and mix thoroughly. And there we have it. The Labneh Cheesecake is ready. It's in a springform pan with quadruple wrapped foil so that there's hot water in here to bake it in, and so it doesn't infiltrate. And we're going to bake that at 325 for about half an hour, and it is ready. So I just took it out of the oven. It was in there for 40 minutes, and it's kind of jiggly, and I'm going to just let it sit there and chill and relax, and I'll check it in like an hour. And it is ready. And doesn't that look delicious? Rind from 3 limes. 1/4 cup water. Third cup sugar. Juice from 1/2 a lime. And stir, baby, stir. 1 cup fresh blueberries. And I might add a second one later. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And simmer 8 to 10 minutes. And here you have it, Blueberry Lime Labneh Cheesecake, which I am going to enjoy so much, it's not even going to be funny. Try it today. You can thank me later.